Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm working on some coasters. And I'm going to use some white from my base on all of them. Then I'm going to do different colors on each set though. Let's see. So I think this set I'm going to do some purples and gold. So I'm starting off with dioxazine violet. Okay, and then I'm going to use this is some Auntie's metallic amethyst. I'm going to use a little gold. And then this is, I think this is Liquitex Basics, like deep violet maybe? I'm just kind of slapping it on. Alright, and then I'm going to use Amsterdam's titanium white for my smear color. Alright, then I'm going to start over here. you down for a close-up. This is the purple and gold ones. And look at all that shimmer. So pretty. And then the blue ones. Got a couple of funky cells there. But yeah, there they are. Thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed another coaster making video. Yeah, I hope everybody's being healthy and safe. I do appreciate you guys watching. And hopefully you enjoyed and like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.